Hey everyone, this is Jose with eXp Realty, and I just want to talk to you today about probate and in particular foreign real estate. Now, there are cases when a loved one maybe is not a native of the United States. They may have come from another part of the world, Central America, South America, Europe, and they may own property in those countries. So when you get into a probate situation with foreign real estate, there are a couple of additional hurdles that you have to consider. One is the currency involved with a particular property. Um, just because it is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath home in Brazil doesn't mean it will come over as the same value once you take into effect the different currencies. Also, you have to take into account political situations. There are countries that are not as politically or economically stable as the United States, and that may impact the value of the properties over there and or the ability to sell property over there. So this is one of those cases where you definitely have to get legal counsel, and particularly um, legal representation that is familiar with the country in question and familiar with doing a transaction between countries. So if you have any need for assistance in this area, I can provide you with resources. I am a realtor. I'm not a attorney and I'm not a tax expert, but I am someone who's gone through widowhood, and my goal is to help people navigate the probate process with as little pain as possible. It's never zero pain, but there is a way to make it easier. Also, if you are watching this video and you have not gone through probate yet, and you are young and or healthy, or both, please seek out competent legal advice as far as estate planning is concerned, because there are many tools available that can be used to minimize and or eliminate the probate process altogether with some good planning. If you have any questions, scan the QR code for my number, or you can reach me on social media. Thank you very much and enjoy this beautiful day.